Ever been caught short on cash between paychecks? Craving that new tech gadget but your bank account's looking a little bare? You're not alone. Millions of us face unexpected expenses or just want to spread out the cost of bigger purchases. So, the burning question is, does Walmart offer Beforepay? Beforepay is a relatively new financial technology that's gaining traction. It essentially allows you to access a portion of your earned wages early, often within hours. This can be a lifesaver for those facing financial emergencies or simply wanting to better manage their cash flow. But does this convenient service extend to the retail giant, Walmart? Let's dive in. Walmart is a behemoth in the retail world, and they've been expanding their financial services significantly. They offer a variety of options, including Walmart MoneyCard, a prepaid debit card with features like direct deposit, bill pay, and even cashback rewards. Walmart Credit Card, a store credit card that offers exclusive discounts and rewards within the Walmart ecosystem. Walmart Savings Account, a high-yield savings account designed to help you grow your money. These services cater to a wide range of financial needs, but do they include Beforepay? Unfortunately, as of this recording, Walmart does not currently offer a Beforepay service. While they offer a suite of financial products, they haven't yet integrated with the popular Beforepay platforms. However, don't despair. If you're a Walmart shopper looking for early access to your earnings, here are some alternatives. Explore other Beforepay providers. Many companies like Yaneen, Dave, and Chime offer similar services. You can often link your bank account and get instant access to a portion of your paycheck. Utilize Walmart's other financial services. Consider using the Walmart MoneyCard for its direct deposit feature, which can help you access your funds faster. Budgeting and saving strategies. Implementing a budget and setting aside emergency funds can help you avoid relying on early wage access as often. While Walmart doesn't currently offer Beforepay, they provide a range of financial tools to help you manage your money. Explore these options and consider alternative Beforepay providers to find the best solution for your needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.